Hi, today I'd like to walk you through a full demo of OrderTaker. OrderTaker starts off at the home screen. Once you log in, you see a set of categories visually applied. You can also see a number of things, but first thing you want to do is click on the little icon on the bottom right-hand corner and choose a customer. Once you've chosen a customer, you can actually see the home page now category with all the categories, all the products and categories and prices for that specific customer entered in. So from now, I can actually go in and browse customers, browse products. So here I'll go in and select some products, view the products I want, and add them to a cart. I can also see a detailed view of the products. So I can go in and see product quantity, look at the very different variations of the product, and actually add them to a cart. So I'll add a palette here, and we'll add that to a cart. Once that's been added to cart, if I try to add it again, it gives me an error. I can also add a lot of different notes to the cart. So here I'm going to add a note that says this is going to be a special price. And this is a line item note. So this is a note specifically for this item. I can also see promotions associated with this product. So this one has a buy one, get one free and an apply 20% off. So I'll add that in and actually add that to a cart. Now, what I can also do is go into different products and view different images, multimedia images of the product. I can also see batch quantities of the product, when they're expiring, the different batches and when they're expiring, UPC, the product details, product dimensions, key features, description, origin, and much more. So let's say we added this product to a cart as well. And now we can also add items to a wish list. So this item, I'm going to add quantity of 6 to a wish list. Let's go back and view where these wish list items actually are. It's right here on the home screen where I can now see them. I can see my wish list. I can see my best sellers. I can view my promotional items. I can also view the last 3 months purchase worth of items. These are all lists that I can view at any time I want. So I can find the products I want really quickly and basically add them to a cart. I can also filter by brand, category, subcategory, packaging, quantity per package, quality level, and more. All of this is customizable and can be produced whenever you want. So let's go to my cart and view all the items in my cart. So I have all my items here. I can again change notes whenever I want, add notes and change them whenever I need to. And I can also view the total weight and how much the total weight is. So here's the order weight is 260 kilograms, maximum order weight, the credit limit, the order amount, discount percentage, subtotal, freight, grand total, and discounts. Once I've done that, I can also sign this. So I can actually add a signature for this particular product and also be able to barcode scan. I can add some barcode products through barcode scanning or view this as a PDF. I can also change the type of order this is. So I can make this into an invoice per se and say completed and change the delivery method, payment terms, and others. So all of this can be done for the product. Once I'm ready, I can then submit the product and the cart becomes empty. I go into my third tab, order history, and view that this product has actually been added to cart. It's the first one on the list, and I can view all the items in there. I can also see a PDF of it. So here's a full PDF of the product, all the products, which I can share, print, email, text, send to my customers, however, whenever I want. When there's a lot of items in this order history, you can also filter them by account, type, date, status, and more. So you can find the orders in the previous and history whenever you want. We also have a fourth tab, which is a mobile CRM. It's the ability to see all the accounts associated with this particular sales rep. You can also filter by a number of categories and also view the details of this particular order. From here, I can also click on the email button, view locations, contact persons, add attachments, view account properties, make phone calls directly from here, emails, whatever I want. And I can also see all of these customers on a map you know, visually able to see where they are and be able to find the routes that I need to go to them and develop those relationships. Finally, I can also go to my menu and click on dashboard. Here, when I click on dashboard, I can see a set of metrics, particularly for this sales rep, including their top 10 product sales, top 10 category sales, top 10 product sales by quantity, and much, much more. This is all accessible for the sales rep whenever they want, and it's always available. That's all for now. If you have any questions, please let us know. Now I'll show you a demo of the backend module. So this is our backend module where we configure the product and create and get everything ready for you. So here's where all the products, all the sales actually show up. So whenever a sale happens, it shows up here as well as in your back office accounting system, Sage 300, SAP, whatever it might be. I can view the PDF of the order I just created, download it, and email it to my customers. There's also options to auto email to customers whenever you want. There's a lot of options here, but the first thing you want to know is that there's a feature called Zone. Within Zone, you actually have the ability to create different zones from which sales reps, products, and customers are assigned. So I chose Western Canada as my zone. Here, I have certain customers that I've assigned to this zone. I have specific sales reps that are assigned. So you can see Joel is being assigned to these customers. And I can also see the products that are assigned to this particular sales rep and to these customers. So anytime I select one of these customers, I can only view these products from that zone. So basically a zone is a collection of customers, sales reps, and products that are a part of that zone and can view each other. So now I know that Joel is assigned to these customers and these products. So what I'll do is actually be able to change, go into products and actually view that one of those products that I just saw. So I'm going to look at Tata iodized salt and go to zone prices. When I go to zone prices here, I can see all my zones, their unit of measures associated for this particular product and the prices. So let's say I went in and changed Tata iodized salt 6-pack from $60 to $65, and I saved that. Once I save that, I can actually view that in the mobile app automatically. So let's say I screen mirror again, get back into the app, and actually view Tata iodized salt is actually going to be in the list. There it is. The 6-pack is now $65. You can see right in the middle of the list, $65, the 6-pack. So the prices can change whenever you need, however you need, and they can change for the specific zone, all the different products within that zone, and the prices directly from this screen. So I'll show you that one more time. We'll go to back. Here are all the products. On the right-hand side, I can click on the ... click on zone price, and up it shows me all the zones for this product and all their units of measure and their prices. And I can change them at will, and they change automatically on the front end. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.